This is the whole bird sanctuary area. Can't really see much because it's kind of dark. There's a ladder for the birds to climb on and stuff. It's a little dark up here right now. This is one window. You come in this window and there's a big cage up here. Several cages over there. There's another window. This actually goes in to a whole little area. There's a big cage here. Another cage here. This is the cage with the window that we were just at. Yeah. It's not really safe to walk up here yet because they haven't refinished it all with those cages all around up here. It's a total bird sanctuary area. And you can hear the little tree frogs. Anyways, I gotta go turn all the lights off, so just doing a walk around up in here. Goes into this nice room here. Can't really see much. We'll have to come back in the daytime. Oh, there's some light switches. I guess that'll do it.